Good morning, guys. So this is going to be our ship tour of P&O's Azura. Currently we're in the gallery. Morning.
We're in the Whitehall Gallery.
The Whitehall Gallery, yes.
There's cabins that way as well.
Yeah. So this is deck 4.
Deck 5.
Deck 5, oh sorry. As you can see, all these paintings are very, very expensive. Yeah.
They do offer credit.
They offer credit. And on this level, we've got deck 5. What have we got on this level?
It's Java and the Meridian restaurant.
That's it. Java and the Meridian. Yeah, that one. And that's the price on it.
How much?
1,595 quid.
Okay, so
Love 6.
a bit too rich for my blood.
It's a very pretty atrium, and it's currently being set up for Christmas season. It is November. That's the Java Cafe. All included in the package. That's the atrium. You can see. Very busy this morning because there's a lot of people getting off the ship. Luckily it's not us yet, not till tomorrow. All these cakes and order of coffee are free. There's other stuff changed then as well for lunchtime, more cakey stuff sort of lunchtime. It's more breakfast pastries and things. As we've got the drinks package, it is all included in the drinks package. This is one of the main dining rooms.
I don't think we can go in. I think that's just for luggage storage at the moment. Yeah, flight departure lounge.
But I'll see if I can just show. So this is the menu for tonight. If you want to come to the main dining room. There's your starter choices. And your main courses. And your desserts. And that's the chef's recommendations. And then you've got a wine list. And that's the Meridian restaurant.
Okay.
So we're going to go up now because that's... on this floor, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a shop around the other side, which just sells essentials and P&O Azura branded stuff. But unfortunately, it's not open today because they're not allowed to be open on sea days, on port days. Sorry. This is floor 6. Floor 6.
Morning.
So then we've got good morning. So we've got the Peninsula restaurant just behind us there, which is the other main dining room.
There's duty-free booze and cigarettes there.
The duty-free here, which again is not open today because we're in port and not allowed. Again, more shopping. Some really nice jewellery stuff there. Pandora.
Special offer on booze.
Special offer on booze. And you've got Radley and all Ted Baker and what have you. Here's the view then from the next level. Excuse me. That's the view from the next level. That only lights up. I haven't seen it lit up this particular cruise. So I don't know why.
Half of the main lights up now.
Yeah. There's the start. Some of the guys set up a tree. As you can see over there is more
shops.
clothing shops.
We'll show them Brody's and then come back out this side if you
Yeah,
like.
we go to Brody's now, which is the British pub, or Irish pub if you want to say Irish. Sorry, malfunction then. I don't use this thing much, say that nobody does it, but give her a break because that's all she's done. The whole cruises film. Reception area. There. Any complaints, any problems, go to them, they're superb.
If you come into this side of Brody's, it takes you straight into the casino.
Yeah.
Which I don't think you can use at the moment because we're in port.
No. Oh, it's a very small casino, but there is one on board. Now, on normal other ships, you're not supposed to film the casino, but there's nobody here and it's not open, so I don't think it's an issue.
I think you can film when it's not open. I just don't think you can film when people are betting.
Very comfortable place. There's a lot of sports stuff on, football, rugby, so on. Karaoke, they have karaoke, quizzes.
Most nights.
Extensive bar. Nice extensive bar. Lots of lovely, comfortable seating areas. There. You've been in here a couple of times, haven't you, love?
Yes.
It's quite nice in here, especially in the middle of the afternoon.
Very nice, yes.
Pool table on the bottom. Darts.
It's quite entertaining to watch when the ship is moving because so are the
Yeah,
balls.
because the balls move as well. Dartboard there.
Okay, so we're coming back out on the other side of the atrium now. And there's more shopping here with clothes.
Yeah.
So you've got things like Lacoste and Farah.
Yeah. Expensive stuff. But it is branded, it's all the branded stuff, you know. I think the Lacoste polo tops are like 60 quid. Too rich for my blood.
They also sell Barber as well. So that's pretty much it for deck 6, not unless you wanted us to take you through all the cabins, which is long and
No point
very
seeing
much the
the
same.
cabins are all the same.
So we'll take
So
you
we're up
up
to deck 7 now,
deck 7, yeah.
which is the top deck for the atrium. It's the top level. Also by here is a nice and a favourite spot for photographs when you're evening dress. Just here. And you can imagine the photos you'll get with that lit up and you're dressed in your finery.
We did have quite a few.
Quite a few done over the years. Third time on this cruise. Or this ship, I should say, not this cruise. Again, some more jewellery.
This is the less expensive side of the jewellery.
Yeah, the Clifton Fine jewellery, that's the big money jewellery.
And you've got all your perfumes, aftershave, makeup.
Yep. Sure.
GHD as well.
Yep. Around that side is the blue bar, which is a very nice little area. Piano, baby grand piano over there. You just see it across the way there. The baby grand piano, the pianist there sometimes just play tunes, sit, chill, have a cup of drink before dinner. We've only done this one once, but it is a nice bar, comfortable.
Probably try it again tonight.
Yeah. That's the blue bar. Hello! Yay! So that's the blue bar.
So this is Malabar.
This is Malabar. The Indian sort of Moroccan themed bar. Very comfortable. A lot of shows here and evenings. Sometimes they stage films, yeah. if the weather's bad outside, because there's a CD screen on the top.
Yeah, we've
Nice
been
bar.
in here once, and we watched Avengers, wasn't it?
We did when we did the Caribbean.
This is Sindhu.
Yep, which you saw earlier on, or you may be seeing in the future, depending on how Sarah does the videos.
It's we were supposed to be eating there tonight, but it's been closed until further notice.
Yeah, this is where if you're coming on the ship, you can buy your drinks packages. Which you can
First
see
thing,
there,
yeah.
which would explain the drinks
To
packages.
Manhattan. This is the nightclub type of bar. They also have shows. There was a comedian in here this cruise,
Yeah,
and then
Tucker.
they have the resident piano band Pulse, I think they're called.
Tucker was the is the opening act for
Loose Women.
Loose Women. He warmed up the crowd and the audience that come in to actually watch the show in the studio. It was okay.
This
This
is
is
quite
again
a nice bar.
Comfortable, yeah,
Nice
isn't
and
it?
dark.
Nice and comfortable. Yeah. Big place. Nice stage. We've seen Killer Queen here. We've seen Tina Turner here.
Both fantastic, by the way.
Superb.
If you get the opportunity to see them go.
There's the bar. Like I said, with the drinks package, the cocktails menu that they make all the cocktails fresh. As you can see, the mixer there. There's no mixes here. It's made fresh. And the best thing about it as well with the cruise is that you don't have to queue at the bar.
No.
You sit down and they'll have waiter service come to you, get your drink, bring it to you. But you'll hand up for one another drink, they'll come and serve you. You know, that's the sort of service they do. That's Malabar. That's Manhattan.
So this is the very back of the ship.
This is the butt of the ship.
Nice aft.
And this is Santa Cruz,
Yes.
which we're not venturing into because there's not loads here. We're not in the resorty bit, this is the port area. So we are just, we're just basically
Chilling.
chilling today.
There's a couple of oil rigger platforms over there.
Yeah, in the distance there.
There is a pharmacy. So this is where Manhattan comes to as well.
This is the back end of Manhattan there. And my shadow as well.
So we're on the port side now. We're coming round to the port side. The
We'll
ship
get
is
off
being
tomorrow.
restocked with food and booze.
There's my beer coming for tonight.
So that'll probably take all day as well.
Yeah.
So there's an overnight import on Santa Cruz, so I don't think people have to be back on the ship tonight.
No. We'd stay out and just out and have a meal in a restaurant or something.
Hi.
You've got the freedom to do so. But we've paid for our food here, so we won't be doing that. We are going to the glass house tonight, so we're going to be showing it out soon.
Yeah. Hopefully we'll show you the playhouse and the glass house in a minute.
Yeah.
Oh, up here is where they keep the tenders and the lifeboats.
That's a lifeboat.
When we got on, we had to go to something called the muster station, and that's where you're supposed to go if there's an emergency.
Yeah.
And happily, our muster station is muster C, and it is in a glass house. Which, ironically, is where it was the first time we boarded the ship.
Yeah.
And there is a photograph with me with a life jacket on.
Me with a glass of wine.
Yeah. If I'm brave enough, if I'm brave enough, I might post those pictures.
Say hello.
Morning.
Hello. Hello. Thank you.
Okay, how far down are we now? Right, so it's not quite that far down.
I think this is going to be, yes, the playhouse.
Might be a bit blowy. Right, so the playhouse is there. Unfortunately, the doors are closed.
Which means you can't go in, unfortunately.
I did get some footage that I might put in here. When we went to go and see So Kind of Wonderful, who are playing tonight as well.
It's a fabulous theatre.
So this is muster station C, or the glass house.
Yeah. And all the wines here are done with the consultation of, what's his name now?
Ollie, I was going to say Ollie Mers, but it's
Ollie
not.
something. The wine guy, you know. Lovely food here apparently. It's every year tonight, so certainly give it a go. Eaten here many times, mind. Well, drunk here, we haven't eaten here.
No, we're eating tonight.
Very comfortable chairs, comfortable place to sit.
Nice wine cases.
All the wines. Of course, we're on the drinks package, so anything that's under $6.95 a glass is covered.
And flights of wine are not included.
I'll show you the menu now. I think it's on the wall. There's Prosecco and champagne. And we want to pay for that.
Which I will be having a Prosecco later.
This is the menu. That's the menu there. Ollie Smith. Ollie Smith, that's the wine guy. There's an additional charge on the food here, but it's only small. It's classed as a specialty restaurant. Yeah. You know what I'll be having? That's what I'll be having. The Edam's rib with garlic prawns. So this now is the Clifton jewellery shop.
This
all the
is
jewellery
Sarah's favourite bit to look at.
This is Sarah's favourite. Not mine, not so much.
It only wouldn't be yours if I made you spend money, which I don't.
All the jewellery in here is not costume. Let's just say that.
This is my favourite one.
There's all the Tanzanite selection.
I think we worked it out. There's almost 80 grand's worth of value.
Yeah.
In that
necklace
case.
at the back there with the 5 prawns.
So there is one to the right of the bust.
Yeah. That's 1,500 quid. And I think you said that the talk we went to before, this particular shade of Tanzanite is AAA grade. So it's the best you can get.
And it's rarer than diamonds.
Yeah. And there's your diamonds. And all real diamonds, all proper.
The camera's not doing it justice. This is
No,
sparkling.
I can't get it no closer than that. Opals there. Thousands and thousands of pounds worth for people with a lot of money.
And then
Got
there's
Clogger at the back, and they do
watches as well.
nice, you know, top of the range Swiss watches, like this here, which is Tissot. There's a couple of grand, oh, they're not, 730 quid that watch there. They also do Tag at the back there, look. If you're into your fine watches and what have you, you can spend and spend and spend.
That you can. So now we're going to head to the lifts and we will put you back on. So we're midship now, and we will come up midship on deck 15, which is the leader deck.
Yeah. So this is the pool deck, more or less.
So we'll start this side?
Yeah. So this pool is for everybody basically. I don't think there's any adults only pools. There was when we were on here before.
I think the Oasis pool still is the adults only, but we'll go and check it out now.
There's a jacuzzi here. There's another one on the opposite side, exactly the same. It is picking the rain now as well. There's your pools, thousands of sunbeds. You've got Breaker's Bar at the top, which is another smoking area. Up to the top. There's a good view of the pool and the jacuzzi area. There's one of 2 areas with 2 jacuzzis. And there's another 2 pools. That is the smoking area. This Breaker's Bar. Very busy in the evening.
Does that mean you can't go up?
Yeah.
Okay, so we can't.
No, we can't go up. We can't go up on there, unfortunately, because
It's raining.
there's a cone on there and it's probably slippery. So that would have shown you the Oasis pool, which is in the spa area. Exactly like that, basically.
So we'll take you over to the next pool and the sea screen
Yeah.
and show you that.
Yeah. There's a massive cinema screen, which in the evenings they serve popcorn, and you can sit out with blankets and watch a film if you need a blanket. There's also another hot tub, another pool, another hot tub over there, bar, and this is the entrance as well to the buffet. Seating, sunbed seating up there. But yeah, and there's all seating underneath as well. Okay, I'm going to go back down here now and show you the pizza and burgers and hot dogs things that you can have by the pool.
Careful you don't slip.
Which is all complimentary. We haven't partaken in that, mind. We stuck to the buffet restaurant.
We've done really well.
And tried to keep it as healthy as possible because there's lots of treats to eat here.
So this is the poolside grill.
Poolside, yeah. Yeah, that's what you can have. It never changes, that's what you've got. You just come along here and help yourself. Take what you want, have as many as you like, whatever you. These fridges, the last time we come on a cruise, were full of sandwiches, salads, little small dessert things. But this time they haven't done it, so. And over the side then, we've got ice cream, which is not complimentary. You have to pay for it in here. Royal Caribbean, you don't have to pay for your ice cream. It's only soft serve, but it's ice cream. Well, they do Jude's ice cream on here, which you have to pay for per scoop. and they do fresh pizzas, which you can come up and help yourself to, whatever you want. Unfortunately, you're not going to be able to see it because it's all frosted. And then you've got the Jude's there, coffees and teas here, and that's the station for the pizza. And they do make them fresh, but the bases are not fresh. Yeah.
So this is going back through to the aqua pool, I think.
Where the sea screen is. Get towels. If you want towels from some beds, you just take them. Once you finish them, dump them in the bin. Or the bin's provided.
So the buffet is on the starboard side. So we'll pop across and try and get you some footage of that.
Another bar. We were sat there yesterday for a while. So I am going to attempt to film the buffet, but it's very, very popular, and a lot of the time you can't get in there.
May have to talk a little bit louder because of the music, we might get copywritten.
It's quite loud in here, a lot of people come in here for this. Prefer it for breakfast because you can help yourself.
Yeah.
But
you may not be able to get in to show you the food. But there's certainly some.
So here's the buffet. Got the juices. And you've got your compotes, fruit salad, pastries, and you've got exactly the same this side. You've got some cold meats as well, like continental cheeses, meats, jams. You've got your cereals. Your cereals. And your nuts and your fruits, your dried fruits, tinned fruits. You've got your cooked stuff, bacon, sausage, beans, fried eggs, black pudding. You've got omelettes, kippers, boiled eggs, poached eggs, toast, fried potatoes, fried bread. Beans, and again back here. And obviously that is when you got your breads and your butters there then as well. There's your breads, your butters. So that's the buffet. It's the same, it's duplicated two sides. It's the same for breakfast. You go round, you go downstairs in the buffet, in the buffet restaurant, the main restaurant. And you can have the same breakfast but have it silver service brought to you. You just tell them what you want and they bring it. So yeah, we're just going to walk through now the second part of the buffet. We're not going to show any more food because it's all breakfast, it's all the same as what I just showed you.
I think it's closed anyway.
Yeah. So it's just used as additional seating when one is open and the other one is shut. Because it is needed, and you can see it's all dressed up for Christmas. There's Christmas trees everywhere. Because it's not long till Christmas, it's only a few weeks.
Stop swearing.
I know. But we're going to take you now to the back pool, which is our favourite pool, and where we've spent most of our holiday, to be honest with you. It's always been our favourite on the ship. And it's quite popular. People like to come out here. As you can see, it's full already. And there's the pool. And there's the very back of the ship. Well,
it?
there. That place there,
Is
at the
Panama.
table, that is the Epicurean. And then the part with the glass windows around it is another bar called the Planet Bar, which we haven't been to yet, so we're probably going to do tonight. There's 19 decks altogether.
Yes. Here we go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Right, so it is 18 for Planet Bar.
Yeah.
And if you notice, I'm using elbows to push buttons. There's norovirus on the ship. So,
Only announced last night, mind?
but it has been on here for about half a week.
A norovirus, apparently, according to the captain, is caused from poor personal hygiene. So make of that of what you will.
And
So
here
this is the Planet Bar. It's a nice bar, this one. Planet Bar. Piano bar, basically. That's basically what it is a piano bar. You got somebody up here
all the screens.
all the screens show you different parts of the world.
So there's a screen here that's showing you where this is.
Yeah, that's right. Which is Nambia. Or Nairobi, sorry.
Nairobi.
This is Nambia. And it's got, you know, a nice view as well. All the windows are a wraparound, basically.
You can't. Oh, let's go this way. I'll show you right the way around. It's nice and cool in here as well.
It's very cool. It's lovely. Nice big chairs. Yeah, should be coming here tonight, I think. Give
Sounds
it a
like a
go,
plan.
because we haven't, as I said, we haven't been up here at all. Nice bar. There's not much they don't have, to be honest with you. Really good selection of spirits and shorts and beers, vodkas, lagers, ciders. There's a massive selection. That's the Planet Bar.
And that's more or less the
And
end
that
of our
is,
ship tour.
yeah, that's the end of the tour. That is the ship, more or less.
I will probably be showing you the laundrette, because they do have laundrettes on the ship. I have stuff in the washing machine at the moment, so when I go down and pick it up and put it into dry, I'll take the phone to film. But if there are people in there, I won't film.
Yeah, you've got to be careful, because some people don't like being on camera. And they will, are not afraid to tell you.
Oh yeah.
And that's absolutely fine.
I can't press that one.
And we are going to the glass house tonight, so we will be filming our food, because it is supposed to be really good.
I'm having the sliders.
I'm having the steak, I think.
This is the laundrette that I said I would film. So you've got 2 dryers, 2 washers, sink, basket, and 1 iron, 2 ironing boards. And that noise would be my clothes ready to dry.